Well, I really haven't done any progress videos. So this is the shower. That's all primed on the ceiling. So the next step will be the vapor barrier. Over here, in the meantime, while I'm waiting for that concrete right there to cure, then I'll polish it. Over here, this wall, big foundation issues. I don't think you can get to it. Nope. But anyways, you can see there's big cracks in there. These had cracks. I filled them with wire mesh and hydraulic cement. And then right there's the first coat of dry lock paint. Here we got all the laundry room water lines ran. So there's the hot water. There's the cold water. We also have shut-offs, and then there's a shut-off right there that goes to the outside. You know, you want to be able to leave that off if you want. And right there is where that laminated pipe or laminated board, you see how this one is. It's 2-ply. I glued that together, and then you use these lag bolts in there. And then of course it's welded a plate and lag bolted, and of course there's concrete with rebar welded to it, and right there's where the new one will go, right there. So all of this has to be level, because if you're putting this piece across right there, it's gotta be level. You're gonna be setting to make sure this wall doesn't move. So you got to make sure this is solid and sound too. So right now it is not, it's solid, it's just not sound. It's about a 1 to 2 inch drop. And yeah, we'll see. Same with the stairs in there. I mean, I might keep those stairs. They just need to be rectified and beefed up. But I think I can make those stairs pretty good. Yep. All right. And these stairs, I don't know what I'm gonna do. They're definitely get redone too, but might rip the whole thing out. All right. So that's it.